And April 22nd, taking a look at GJ over here. It's breaking this consolidation, now breaking below support over here. Now it looks like it's coming up to retest support. Now we could have our support right down here, and it looks like we're closing right back into the range, which is interesting. So we could continue to range over here. Let's see, we got Chris coming in. My man. How you doing, buddy?
Morning, bro. How you doing?
Doing great. How was that run this morning?
It was good. It was good. I did 625 today.
I'm sorry, what?
625.
625, good shit. What are you pushing for right now?
Well, I got 610
What?
a week ago. Yeah, that's why I'm like, oh, I was pushing.
Yeah.
I got 610 a week and a half ago. And now I'm back to the 620s. So I
That's
just
awesome.
gotta hit that wall, break that wall again.
Yeah, dude, you'll get it. Maybe it's just a quick wall, but you'll get right through that. Knowing you. What's up, Victor?
I'm good, man. How are you?
I'm doing great, man. How's your trading going?
I'm in USD CHF right now. I'm up about 20 something pips.
Good shit. I love it.
But I'm trying to swing it
Yeah.
to the because I've been going through the course and I realized that the big moves, the long trades suits me more because I usually find it hard to get in on the 15-minute, 30-minute entries. But if I wait for the 1 hour, 4 hour entries, I realize that it actually pays me more.
I love it. That's all. Now, do you use the lower time frames to take your entries?
Yeah.
Okay,
30
cool.
minutes and 15 minutes to enter. Yeah.
Awesome. That's perfect. Yeah, listen, as long as you figure out what suits you best and you're comfortable with that, go for it. But just make sure you're back testing it enough. Make sure you're getting enough work in every single day, and you'll be good.
Thanks, man.
How far in the course are you? I'm looking forward to hopping on our Zoom.
Okay, I went through all the technical analysis. I've been through it again, and I've been through the first part. I've forgotten the title of the first part, so I'm going through the psychological parts. I think something about success or something.
Something about what?
The section, the last section. I'm in the last section now.
Okay.
So,
keys to success in trading?
Yes, keys to success, yes.
Awesome, man. I'm looking forward to hopping on with you. So whenever you're done, just schedule your Zoom on the on the website, and then we'll hop on.
Okay, no problem.
Learn a little bit more about you and get everything going.
Okay.
So EJ, looks like it may be breaking above this resistance over here. Now we have a heavy fundamental day. This is kind of what EJ has been waiting for all week, and that is the ECB monetary policy statement, the refinancing rate, and then also the press conference. Now we also have unemployment claims coming out as well, so that'll be out around 8:30. And then later tonight for GBP, we have retail sales. So I'm kind of waiting for a retest right over here on EJ. I don't know if I'm going to take this just because EJ is still in this range on the higher time frames. Very heavy mess right here that you really don't want to work with. But I do like this setup. I've traded this setup many times where you wait for the close above this area, which we got on the 15 and the 30 minute. So you wait for the retest, you get a clean move to the left, you can take this all the way up. But at the same time, is this the opportunity that you want to take today, being that, price is ranging over here? If you look at it on the 1 hour, it's just a mess. But we're forming support over here, starting to break above this resistance. And you could possibly take this up. You get about 42 pips to play with. Now on GJ looks like it's coming right back into this range on the 1 hour. So if you look at the 4 hour over here, GJ made this high up here, and it's kind of like a head and shoulders, where price, creates the left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder over here. Are we going to continue down? I really don't want to take any sells above this trend line over here. We're in buys since here. Now you can take scalps on your way down over here, anticipating price to react to 152 and take it all the way down. Same thing with over here, where we reached 152, tapped it, and then created a resistance over here at this order block. So what you could have done was take this down, anticipating price was going to retest this trend line over, or this recent resistance right over here to form support and continue up. But once we closed right back into this range, this mess over here, then it became uncertain. What are we doing now? Why are we back in this range? Is this a fake out? We're going to continue bearish? Now it looks like we're getting some bearish pressure. The pound seems a little weak right now. Let's actually take a look at. Yeah. So the UK 100 right here. This is basically the top 100 companies in the UK. Was in a bullish trend, and then we broke. And this broke around the 20th or 19th. So if you look over here, we broke around the 20th and 19th. We started heading down. So it's a direct confluence or direct relationship with the UK stock market over here. We broke this bearish trend line. Now, are we continuing? Is this a resistance and we continue down to retest these lows? You don't want to take any buys below here. We're starting to head down now to retest these lows. So that's telling me that GJ, we should be heading down. Now let's look at the Japanese currency index as well. Japanese currency index, we've been heading up. We have this trend over here, this bearish trend that obviously, throughout COVID and everything, they've been kind of behind Japan when it comes to the vaccines, when it comes to opening up, when it comes to anything. Japan has been very behind. So they've been behind most of the currencies, been on our way down. Now we broke this bearish trend that we've been in over here, price coming down, created this support, and then all of a sudden we broke out of it, retested it, and now we've been pushing bullish. So I'm interested to see what we do around here. Right over here, are we going to react to it? Are we going to start pushing through it? If so, you're going to see GJ start to fall or continue to fall. Better yet. So right now, it looks like on the 4 hour, we're starting to, this is a previous support right here. So if you look at this range right here, price created a support, especially with this candle right here, as it snapped right back and closed bullish over here. These two candles continued to stay in the range right here. Then we broke out of it. It looked like we were starting to come down, right? Starting to come down, closing below support. And now this 4 hour candle looks like we're closing right back into that range right over there. But are we just creating a top wick and then continuing down if we close below the support? Could be. 4 hour. Now the 1 hour, again, looking like a fake out over here. So are we going to form some kind of a support and continue up? Looks like we're retesting over here. So that's kind of what I'm looking for right now. Now, it's technically not a fake out because you have this support right down here on the 30 minute. So I guess this whole thing is basically just a range. But this is where the candle body closes, were right over here. So we shall see. Typically don't want to touch this right over here. Let's take a look at, oh, what is this? Here we go. So we're respecting the support down here on the 15-minute. Let's look at the 5. Five is just pushing up right here. I'm looking for a price to close above this area and continue up. That means we'll be coming right up to retest these areas over here. Now, when I look at these lower time frames, I'm just looking at buyer and seller pressure. You got this trend that we've been respecting over here. So price should be reacting to price around here. We're making higher highs and higher lows. Now, if we break out of this and we continue bearish, we're retesting this support again. You guys looking at anything specific?
Could you do a quick analysis on USD CHF for me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Do you have a chart, by the way?
Yes, but it's kind of messy.
It's kind of messy. All right, let's take a look. So this is the weekly over here on USD CHF. So it looks like we have this resistance right over here. And we could do most recent support and resistance. We don't have to go all the way back because we have recent price action over here that we're now mirroring. So we have this support right down here that price was respecting, previous resistance over here. So forming a support and continuing up, but then it started reacting to this level up here at 94 cents right over here. So we're starting to push down. You got a clean move to the left on the weekly. Looking at the daily now. We are now at a resistance. You could basically put this right here, but I like to have it here because we're going to be moving down the time frame and we're going to be reacting to that. So right now you do have a small support right over here. So I want to see what that looks like on the lower time frames. We may need to break this level before we continue bearish to this support right down here.
Exactly.
All right, so looking at the 4 hour now. So the 4 hour, again, like I was saying, this should be up here.
Yeah.
Got a consolidation kind of, but price creating this resistance and continuing down. So right now, so far, I want to close below this area before I take anything. But how many pips do you have right here? This is the 4 hour. Yeah, you only have about 10 pips to this support over here. So you may want to wait for the support to break to then come down and retest this area. Now you have 50 pips to play with right here. So I'm gonna mark this off.
But I'm in it already.
Oh, you're in this already. Okay, so where'd you take the sell?
From that momentum move on the left. Yesterday.
This?
No, to the left. Yes, that move. That kind of. Yes.
Cool. So where'd you enter this?
Right below the support.
Okay, and you're still in this?
Yes.
Okay,
because
so
it's the swing, I
So you probably did this.
Set it to break even because I knew it might come back to retest that area because it's a strong zone. So I put my stop loss above the resistance. Yeah, above the resistance, and I held it and it paid off. Oh wait.
You keep breaking up, Victor. So I'm assuming this is, kind of the trade you took.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So now that we already retested this resistance, now what I would do is I can move my stop loss right here or even at break even, anticipating it to continue bearish. Because if it comes back up here, or especially if it comes back up here, so what you could do is probably move it above that wick. Now you entered right around here. So what you could do is keep your stop loss right there. And if price comes up to retest this area, you still have some room. You may want to close like 50% if it comes back to your entry again.
Okay.
But you do have some room to play with as it continues down. Maybe it continues to range and then continues down. But you just want to make sure you're managing risk there. Make sense? You keep breaking up a little bit.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, cool. Good stuff, man. Jaden, what's up, brother?
Good morning.
Good morning. You looking at anything?
I just logged on.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, GJ seems like we're still ranging over here. Curious. This would be interesting because we do have a clean move right here. So if we're retesting this area and we form some kind of a resistance, you have a clean move right here, and you have about 22 pips to play with if price is going to come back down and retest this low. Now I'm bearish on GJ right now based on what we just looked at with the UK 100, many different aspects of GJ as well, but and the fact that the Japanese currency index is on its way up as well. So if we form some kind of resistance here, it's a basic break, retest, got a candle close, take this thing down.
I'm thinking gold's going to be nice shorts this morning.
Yeah, we have unemployment claims coming out. This is what I was looking at too. It's the 5 minute. Let me see the 15 minute. Yeah, I like this on the 30 minute over here to retest this low. See gold, I was looking at this channel that we've been in, kind of respecting this on its way up. Maybe it's at the low, create some kind of a support and continue up to retest this high and continue up. Or are we going to break out of here and then come back down to retest this low, maybe retest this previous support over here and then take this down? Well, unemployment claims have to be really good for something like that to happen. This is sort of like a fake out. Got a previous resistance, price closes above. Now we're right back into the range. So are we coming right back down to 1777, 1776? Critical levels here on gold. Now this is also reacting to, this is kind of like, this is a swing I may want to take based on the fact that we're reacting to that bearish trend that we've been talking about, right, Jaden? Coming down, that resistance. Maybe this is a fake out of that, and we continue bearish. And this is the start of the bearish move where we come right back down.
Could be.
Huh.
Yeah, I think it wants to come down to 1760.
Okay. You using any fibs or anything?
No, but if I were to, that would be right in the golden zone.
Hmm.
For like if it was to continue this bullish trend and I ran it from the low to the high, if I wanted to take shorts down to the 50%, that 1760 level is right in the golden zone.
I like it. Yeah, I want to see. Let's see. I want price to close below this support right here. I'm gonna wait for 7 o'clock to see what happens. I do like the 30-minute a lot. Kind of tempted. Let's see what this would look like over here. Yeah, this is something that I'm looking at. We should be filling this wick, especially after this candle flip bearish and past the low of this candle. Looks like we're coming down to fill this wick. I'm just gonna get these ready. I think we may have missed gold. Unless it closes, creates a low, comes up, retests that support on the 15-minute, take that thing down. At 7 a.m.
I took a paper trade sell during London at 1792.
During London. Okay, let's take a look. Nice. Okay, so it's a paper trade. You're still in this.
Yeah.
So you saw the resistance lower high forming over here, anticipating us to retest this low.
What I actually saw was the high came and touched a higher time frame order block and then started distributing. And so I just saw the wick off schematic there and then took it on the retest.
Love it. Good shit, man. You've been using this paper trading thing in here?
That was my first one. I finally figured it out.
What were you having issues with?
It just like wasn't placing the trade when I would press sell or buy.
Yeah, that's annoying.
But I think I'm gonna take a short on gold.
I like it. Yeah,
For
I'm
real.
waiting for price to close below this area. I'm not in this, guys. I'm just what's up, Pat?
Good, brother. How are you?
I'm doing great, man.
What's up, guys? How's everyone doing?
Good.
Good.
Taking like gold right now. Looks like we're bearish. If you take a look at gold, this is a major resistance over here. We've been pushing bullish. We're kind of in this channel over here. So I'm curious what we do over here. Now, this, I was just pointing this out, but been in this bearish trend over here for a while. I want to look at the weekly. Weekly created a top wick. Let me see the daily, but we're in this channel. We're now at the resistance of the channel. So are we now going to correct the move that we've been in? We need some negative or positive things coming out of the US, but it looks like we're reacting to that level over there. But are we just creating a bottom wick to then continue up on the weekly? That would be a nice call if we called sells over here. There's too much negative out of the US for that.
So that outer trend line that you drew, so you're
This
saying
one?
if it, no, gosh, that's a lot of trend lines.
I know.
The one to the right,
This one?
yeah. So you're saying if it breaks the channel that it's in right now, it's gonna potentially drop down to touch that outer trend line?
Probably coming down to 1770.
All
Right
right.
around here.
All right. And what's the upper trend line? The one on top? Like
This one?
Yeah. What's that?
This is the main one. This is the Mac Daddy. This is
Oh, that's on the weekly.
yeah. So this is the channel over here that we've been respecting for quite some time.
Okay. How's your GJ looking? So I haven't been at meetings, office all day, so I'm actually just hopping on the charts.
Oh yeah, I'll break down GJ for you. No, just want to see. It looks like gold is coming down over here. Yeah, we're making that push down 30-minute. Yeah. So before we move on to GJ, this would have been a good entry as price came up, created the top wick, passed the low of this candle. We knew it was going to retest this wick and continue down. I was just looking at this support over here. I wanted price to close below here for us to take this down, especially because we are bullish since April 14th, right? So we're respecting this over here. Now, this will be a nice move. If we close below the support over here and retest it, you got a nice clean move to the left, coming all the way down to 1777. And then eventually 1766 if we do break this trend. And there it goes.
Nice.
Now, we do have unemployment today, so keep that in mind as well. We need some good numbers coming out of the U.S. for unemployment to come out. Let me see if this works. Cool. Place this, anticipating this trade over here. Damn, we just missed a nice one. What's up, Matei?
Hello, guys.
What did you say, Jaden? You're in
I
there?
said for yourself, yeah.
What did you say?
I said speak for yourself because
Good shit. There you go. That's how you wake up and caught that one. Good shit. Speak. Yeah, it's a nice move. Clean move to the left. Top wick created. Starting to come down now.
hope I can swing this.
Yeah, it'd be nice. I was just waiting for 7 o'clock because we were looking at this at 6:50. What 6:54. Just waiting for this candle to close below. I didn't know we were gonna make this move. I was just
It could react right here at this price just because it's right at an order block. But
knowing gold, absolutely. Knowing gold. So we'll see. We'll see how it reacts to this area. If it closes below the support, that'd be nice. But Let's look at GJ. GJ did create that resistance over here. Need like a 15-minute. Just pushed. See some. Okay, so GJ. If you guys take a look at the daily candle came all the way up here to 152 and flipped bearish already. It just flipped bearish either this morning or during London, but it has now flipped bearish, and now it's starting to come down. Hard rejection over here. Very hard rejection. No, that was the weekly. So looking at the daily over here, nice rejection. You got a fake out over here above this resistance, and now price is starting to come down to this support. But we are respecting this bullish trend line that we've been respecting. But are we going to close below and continue down? Looking at the Japanese currency index, we are still coming up. I'm looking to see what it does in this area over here. This previous bearish trend, we're now coming up to retest it, but we've been respecting the bullish structure since the end of March. So we've just been pushing up. Japan's been opening their economy a little bit, getting the vaccines coming out. So a lot of positive sentiment coming out of the Japan. So are we going to continue bearish? Also, the other currency or index that you want to look at is UK 100. Right over here, we've been in this bullish trend over here, pushing up, and then now we're respecting this bearish structure coming down right over here, creating a resistance, and then maybe coming down to retest this low down here. So that's another indicator that GJ is going to at least come down to retest this low, also retest this bullish trend line over here, and then continue down to possibly 148,700. So that's what we're looking at. I'm looking for Jaden. I'm waiting for this candle to close below. We just got 702.
Close on what time frame?
Could be the 30-minute, 15-minute. Wait for like some kind of a retest of this support right here, and take this thing down. Because now we're starting to break this bullish trend that we've been in on the 4-hour.
So when you do your trend lines, are you just averaging or?
Basically, I'm just doing what makes sense. You know, I hate having this many on here, but first of all, you have to have the weekly one on here, right? You have to have this one on here. So price is now reacting to that area. If you look at the weekly right now, the weekly candle is creating this top wick up here and now closing right back into this bearish range. So now if you look at the daily, price is kind of like faking this out and starting to come down to retest this area, unless it's just forming a bottom wick to continue up or retracing for the next weekly candle for next week to create a support and then continue bullish. That's if we get a lot of negative stuff coming out of the US. Now the 4 hours where we start to get interesting. So the 4-hour, we've been respecting this bullish structure since the end of March. So we've just been pushing up, tapped 3 times over here, just on its way up, right? Ever since breaking this trend, I'm going to erase this just so that it's not like super confusing. But you got this bearish structure that we broke, retested this previous support, and now we've been continuing up. We've been making higher highs and higher lows. Now we're in this little channel that we've been respecting that we could possibly erase soon. Now, if you want to get rid of this, this is the one trend that you could erase, that channel over there. So right now we're respecting this bullish trend over here on the 4-hour, the 1-hour, the 30-minute. And we're starting to break below, faking out the bearish trend line on the weekly, faking out this previous resistance over here, closing below it. Now, are we going to come right back down to retest this support down here? And if we break that, are we going to come down to retest this bullish trend that we've been in to create support? And then next week, we continue right back up to retest this high and continue up. Or is this a fake out? We're just going to continue bearish. Is this the start of the bearish trend from creating new highs. So that's what we're looking at over here. Darius, what's up, buddy? So it looks like we're respecting support over here. Morning.
Morning, brother.
How are you?
Nice, really nice. Just grab
Seems
the
like-
sell, grab an impulse on gold.
Nice. What, as we broke the low of this bearish
Yeah,
candle?
on the 50, yeah, on the 15 minutes. Just grab my fast 1-to-1 and then
Beautiful.
I'm all right. I'm good for the day.
There
I
you
was
go.
just waiting for GJ to create a support, some sort of support, but it's gone. It's gone.
GJ?
Yeah, GJ was waiting on 30 minute to create a to create a resistance to retest the low, but there was not enough range after
Right here.
the last 30-minute candle. So one trade is good for the day.
There you go. Beautiful. Seems like you're getting more comfortable. You glad you started that demo account?
Yeah, absolutely on executing and also on closing custom of the position, 80% and left to let the runner run.
Well done.
Yeah, getting more confidence. Absolutely.
Good stuff, man.
Thank you for the tips, bro.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think that was the only thing holding you back. And it's common, those limiting beliefs where you feel like, maybe I'm not ready for this yet. Maybe I need to learn a little bit more, but sometimes you just got to jump in.
Especially
And,
because it is already 6 months that I see the same things and don't execute on that. So as soon as you told me that, I opened the demo, with the same amount as I told you, the same amount I will use on the funding talent, 50,000 up, already 6% on 7 days. So
let's go.
yeah,
Great to
didn't
hear.
really imagine the numbers.
There you go. Keeping track of everything.
Especially on London, I think we had the same setup. So created a low, and then GJ created a low, and then formed the
Right over here.
I think on the 30-minute, I could have catch it better.
Yep. So it looks like we're starting to react to this area. Now, the way I would have caught this move, so that you guys know, we are in this whole range on GJ over here. Now, we're respecting this bearish market structure over here, what I was pointing at before. But I was looking for a candle to create a resistance over here, previous support. Now, if you look here at the 5-minute, you have this support right here. So every time you get this candle right here closing below the support, it normally does drop just because you got the 15-minute, creating resistance. And that's also the pass of this wick right over here. So you pass the bullish bottom wick, price just drops, barely a top wick over here on this bearish candle, creating a lower high and just dropped. Now you would have caught on the 5-minute after that candle closed below, could have entered with your stop loss, maybe even above it. You would have caught your 10 pips, it would have been done. 12 pips.
That's the way. 5 minutes.
Actually, you would have caught 16. So that would have been a nice move for you guys. Wow. Gold came right back up. I hope Jaden secured. Mateo, what's up, brother?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Morning.
Doing great, man. How about yourself?
Doing great, man. Just came back from school, so yeah, I'm looking at the charts.
Love it.
I'm looking at a possible pullback on gold.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now.
Perfect.
Yeah, I would have secured probably 80% right down here, put my stop loss at break even, and I would have been stopped out right around here. This will be interesting because we just closed above on the 5-minute. So is this like a fake out? Price continuing. So the 30-minute. Closing back into the range, respecting this bullish trend that we've been in. Continue right back up. Again, you guys want to make sure you're paying attention to unemployment claims coming out at 8:30. Euro policy, monetary policy statement coming out of the euro. This is what the euro has basically been waiting on all week. That's why you've seen it range. Now price is at this resistance over here. We are ranging, got bullish pressure coming up, but now it looks like we may be closing right back into the range. It's not retesting this previous resistance, creating a support and continuing up. Jaden, we got a little snapback on gold.
Yeah, when I saw that it was at that order block, I put my stop to break even.
Nice.
Just gonna wait for what you're saying.
It's reacting to this bullish trend.
Yeah, I'm thinking this might just be a pullback before New York. Gold.
If we create a resistance right here, I'm taking this.
Yep, for sure.
That's why I have magic keys right over here set up. And if that's the case, if we create a resistance right there, I do believe we'll break through this support and continue right back down.
I want to see GJ come to 150.45 before I take a short.
150.45. Be right with you. 15, 30 minute. This needs to be the 4 hour. And you're waiting for what, Jaden?
I want to see GJ come to about 150.45 before I start looking for a short.
All the way up here?
Yeah, to that order block that happened to buy before the sell off.
Right over here?
Go to that 15-minute chart you're looking at.
Yep.
Last bull candle doji before it dropped and broke below. Right there.
Got it. So you're looking at this level. Okay. Which would end up being this support over here on the 4-hour. 4-hour, 1 hour over here. We're just kind of ranging over here on the 1 hour. Get rid of that. Yeah, we're all sells below this range over here. Gold closed bullish on the 15-minute. Strong bullish candle. Could just be creating that bottom wick on the 4-hour. But I've seen this a lot on gold. Got a bearish candle. Strong bearish candle forming right here. Maybe not passing the high of this previous wick. This candle still doesn't have a bottom wick, so we'll see what happens. It's just opened up. Now over here, I realize that I really need to journal during these, or else it's hard for me to. Actually, let's see. All right, we're pushing up. Got a little bit of a fake out. Okay. Really respecting this trend line. Past the high of the previous 15-minute. Just trying to see what we're doing over here on gold. Actually looking at buys over here, but I'm being patient, waiting for this area to react to, because you could obviously get this top wick formed and then a bearish candle just flips bearish and continues bearish. But I am seeing some sort of a fake out right over here where price closed right back into the range, retested, creating a support right now. 5 minutes about to close. Honestly, price could begin to just range in here, waiting for, because this is such a critical level. You got a previous support over here. You had this bullish trend that we've been respecting. We could just continue to range in here until unemployment comes out, and then you'll get that reaction to unemployment, and we could just respect resistance over here, continue down, and then all of a sudden it comes out bullish or positive or negative, and you act accordingly. GJ over here still doing its thing. EJ snapped right back above this area. Closed bullish on the 15-minute.
It's awfully enticing.
EJ?
Yeah.
You read my mind. I'm looking at a flip of this candle right here. The 15-minute.
Closes bullish. You gonna take it?
I don't know if this is the trade that I want to take, because look at EJ over here. It's just a mess. 4 hour, 1 hour, both a mess. You do have this clean move over here. I do like it.
We thought it was out of that range.
Yeah. Oh, what, the other day?
Yeah.
Perfect setup. Comes down, strong bullish candle, and just face it out. What you want to do is, if you have a couple pairs that you trade, you want to look at like the best possible scenario that you could grab.
Is Rory on here?
Roy hasn't been waking up.
It's tough. It's tough, man.
It is. He's got the 2 kids too. I don't know if trading appeals to him as much. Not too sure.
It's all fun and games to you develop insomnia.
Yeah, that's true.
What about Mana? Has he been on?
Yeah, mine's been on. I was on a Zoom with him yesterday. Let's see.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I honestly may hop in EJ over here.
I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute to close bullish.
Yep. Yeah, I'll probably just get 1% on something like this. Got 4 minutes left. Must have been some positive talk out of that monetary policy statement. I took a picture of this. Okay.
It hasn't happened yet.
I'm saying what they're expecting.
Oh.
Plus, they've been waiting for this all.
Don't leave without us.
No. This could be okay. Get a bottom wick forming over here. Take this thing down, or take this thing up. Let's see. Curious how this finishes. Gio, what's up, buddy?
What's up, man? Good morning.
How you doing?
Doing great. How are you?
Good, man. We're just looking at EJ over here. Got a clean move to the left. Price breaking above resistance. Monetary policy statement coming out. I'm only risking 1% just because we are in this consolidation, but I like the setup. Waiting on gold as well. If this closes like this is a nice, strong 30-minute candle with a rejection. I like it. You looking at anything, Gia?
Not really right now. GJ is just still on the consolidation.
Yeah.
It's still in the range.
Yeah, GJ isn't something that I'd want to take. I'm expecting a bearish wick to form, bottom wick, and then a continue up if we do get that. This is why we wait for the 30-minute, right? You take anything last night, Gia?
Nah.
Come on, form your bottom wick. You said nah or yeah?
No,
Okay,
I didn't take anything.
cool. There was nothing to take last night. I didn't see anything at least. Here we go. Yeah, gold is going to range until unemployment. GJ just still ranging in here. The only thing I see is EJ as far as good setups are concerned. Are you in this yet, Jaden?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm learning from the other day with this move over here. We thought we had that breakout, and then
So you're saying you're being weary?
well, yeah, I'm just being patient on it. Just waiting for this bottom wick to form. And then if we flip bullish again, I'll take it. This could end up with the amount that, or the speed that EJ, or lack thereof, that EJ moves at, this could turn into an intraday. So, it's having some issues over here.
Did you guys saw what Bitcoin did last night?
No, I haven't seen. Why? What happened?
If you look at the chart, it's exactly the same price where it bounced off
Oh wow.
last when was that? Saturday night, right?
Really?
Exactly the same price. If you go to the 1 hour, or I mean even the daily chart.
Wow. Respecting the support.
Oh dude, Ethereum just broke all time high.
Wait, what?
Ethereum
Oh, I have Coinbase as my liquidity provider. If you go to, you have what?
Gene, you really suggest getting those Nano wallet? Nano?
Oh.
What is it?
Oh, Ledger.
A ledger
Yes.
Ledger.
looks like this.
I just don't get how it works. Like you put your Bitcoin on that or your
It's like a virtual safe,
okay.
so nobody can like. Yeah, it's like truly owning the coins.
How do you transfer them over there?
You just send it to the, like from your Coinbase address to your Ledger address.
Do you always use Coinbase?
Yeah, for the most part.
Okay.
But make sure you guys use Coinbase Pro. The fees on Coinbase regular is ridiculous.
Okay. Do you have to pay for Coinbase Pro or something?
No, you just have to have an account through you sign up through Coinbase and then you can just log in with the same stuff,
Okay.
and then you can transfer it over.
Got it.
Dude, Ethereum is about to pump to 3K.
You think so?
Yeah.
Wild. Yeah, these coins, man.
It printed the biggest 4-hour candle yesterday that it has in months.
Let's see. ET. Damn. Yeah, it's just flip bullish past the high. It's passing. To these coins, man. Since the beginning of January. 260% on your money. Are you holding any of this?
Me?
Yeah,
Funny.
plenty. Love it.
I have most of my money in Ethereum, and then I have a little bit diversified in a few others.
Not Bitcoin?
I have a little bit of Bitcoin.
Oh, okay. I thought Bitcoin was your main play.
No, Ethereum for sure.
Yeah.
Because just so it's like they've been rocking together since the beginning, Ethereum and Bitcoin, but the price of Ethereum has been suppressed so much, and it's so much more valuable than Bitcoin. Like just the functionality of it.
Yeah, we keep rejecting this area, so maybe a nice close above right here. Exiting this consolidation. If you look at the 5 minute, 5 minutes a little messy too. So close above this resistance, take this thing out. So your main place is Coinbase Pro. Like that's where you get all your crypto. Yeah.
Well, I like if you wanted some of the coins that aren't on Coinbase Pro, like you could get Atomic Wallet. That's where I buy my Ripple and Cardano.
Okay. Look at Doge. Let's see if it holds support over here.
Oh, Dodge dropped.
Yeah.
Damn.
But if it holds the support, we should be all right. I sold somewhere around here. Yeah, the 16th. After this move.
Crazy. I have a friend who bought Dodge at like 0.034 on a Dodge day, you know.
Mm-hmm.
This shit just kept dropping since then. But he put like, I don't know, like 6-7K in it.
Oh, wow. Damn. He's probably feeling happy. If he can afford to just hold on to that, I'm sure it'll continue to go up.
Yeah, but I think you can get much better price if you just wait for some sort of
Exactly.
crash or whatever.
So
It doesn't make sense to me why people are so obsessed with Dogecoin.
You don't understand why?
No.
So I guess those are the people who bought GameStop at like $400.
Yeah. Exactly. Not in this hit, guys.
Yeah, like where I'm from in Spokane, I don't really know anybody that trades, hardly. And all of a sudden, everybody's an expert in the space once all that Doge stuff came out.
Nah.
trying to give financial advice to their followers and stuff. I'm like, dude, you guys are idiots.
Especially our friends down in Arizona.
Yeah, like Steven. I like how that hourly candle's forming on EJ.
I know. Yeah, we're about to get this pass of the high up here. Yeah, this is gonna end up being like an intraday trade. Hold this thing up.
We also got news in 4 minutes, right?
What was it?
The news.
The news, yeah, monetary policy statement.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah, Euro's been waiting on that all week. You know, Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro, you know, all these pairs have kind of been waiting on Thursday. Got unemployment coming at 2 for gold. Waiting on that. I like this setup on gold a lot. On the 30-minute, I like it a lot. Something like this. If we didn't have unemployment coming out, I'd anticipate this move right here. It's a hard rejection on the 4-hour. EJ rejecting this resistance again. Man, I hit shoulders yesterday. Sore as fuck. Gio, how's your week been?
In regards to what, like trading?
Yeah, with everything.
Well, working. I mean, doing pretty good. But trading wise, I actually had a loss on what was that gold 2 days ago. I think
Okay.
I doubled my trade in that, and it was. I mean, it wasn't that pretty bad, but like still, it was. It took most of my profit, but still doing pretty good.
The confidence took a hit.
What was that?
Confidence took a hit after that one.
Well, honestly, yeah, because but I'm okay with it. You know,
Okay.
it's just that yeah, I was looking at my P&L,
Mhm.
and I was like, you know, it's like the like 2 weeks of profit, and then it went down to this just because of one trade.
Damn, yeah. But the thing is, like, you know, don't lower your risk. Just keep doing what you're doing and make sure that you're just taking smart trades, and you'll make that money back. You know, it's part of the game. No, Victor. Normally, when I put the P&L over here to the right, that means I'm like planning on getting in. I'm just waiting and being patient, waiting for this area to break. So we're just waiting.
How was that news? What did it?
Right. Now we're starting to get movement on EJ. Once we pass the high.
There she goes.
All right. Should be continuing up. Now I'm in EJ, Victor. Got a clean move to the left. We're exiting that area. Should be good.
Dude, I bought this foot massager for under my desk. Game
Oh,
changer.
nice. Wait a minute. I have one of those too. I might do the same. Trading view sometimes is the worst. There we go. No. Yeah, I have to journal when I'm on here with you guys. Just experimenting a little bit. Should just be retracing on the 5-minute, retesting this resistance right here and holding above that area. Because we have this consolidation, this is the candle that exits the area. And we get a retest, and price should continue up. So right here, I haven't traded EJ in a minute. So right here normally is where I would probably enter another one. I have 2 positions open right now, but as price starts to exit the area after creating this bottom wick over here on the 5-minute, normally I'd probably enter another one, but I haven't traded EJ in a while, so I'm not 100% comfortable with that yet.
Maybe just wait for open.
Yeah, that too. Absolutely. Why were you looking at the same thing?
Yeah, I'm in 1%, but I do want to risk a little bit more once I have a little more confirmation.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm at 2 right now, but I'm saying I would be going to 3.
Yeah, I didn't want to take it because it's EJ and I don't really like it. But if we get a retest on the fresh 1-hour candle, I might end up taking it.
Yeah, as of late, EJ, 10 pips on EJ is a swing trade.
Yeah.
So you just want to be a little bit more cautious. But we do have a nice clean move to the left.
Good thing you didn't buy gold.
Yeah, that was just a paper trade. I was just waiting. Why would it do? Gotta love it. See, I was just saying it's gonna be ranging until 8:30 when that news comes out. Yeah, could we just talk about how the Knicks are on an 8-game win streak right now, 4th in the East?
Oh, I saw it, man.
Oh, beat the Hawks in overtime, swept them last night at the Garden.
It's good to see Knicks back after losing years.
Just about all credit goes to Tom Thibodeau.
Yeah.
Randall was killing it, huh?
What's up?
What's his name? Randall, right?
Julius Randle?
Julius Randall killing it.
Yeah, had 40 points last night. He's been a beast. Happy to see him doing this thing. Let's go, EJ.
My 50 and 200 EMA are so close from crossing too.
Really?
which would be a pretty significant bullish sign.
Yes. Come on, EJ. Yeah, I'm gonna close 50% right now. No bueno, EJ. I may just end up staying away from EJ for a while now. It's the second time it's done this to me this week. The move was those gold sells earlier.
I'm looking at gold sales right now.
My stop loss actually doing.
And
That's true. Yep, done with EJ. Closed full.
What a bully.
What's up?
I said, what a bully.
Yeah. It's all good.
Taking our lunch money.
The move was this gold sell earlier, right here. $60. Get your clock. 1 minute away. Oh, it's actually we just got it. So I'm looking for a close below 1784. This previous support over here. Nice clean move to the left on gold.
You have a nice rejection on the hourly.
Yeah. Yeah, right over here.
Yeah, this one. Yep, exactly.
Oh yes. DJ is dropping. As expected. Let's see, what am I looking at over here? I like the setup on DJ.
And I thought this week was about to be crazy because of the whole ranging on the previous week, but to be honest, it's pretty slow so far.
Yeah. It really has been.
Yeah, it's very much reminds me of the previous week.
Mm-hmm. Honestly, Asian this week has kind of had some nice moves. I've caught a couple of trades during Asian this week. Payments from maturing securities. All right. Are we really getting this move on EJ right now? Yeah, I don't want to touch that. Eliminate the emotions, right?
Sure.
Yeah, I gotta turn this off.
This was your first trade, right? On EJ.
EJ was my first trade. Yep.
All right, all right.
So I'm just
You're-
looking for anything.
You were treating it like a scalp.
What's up?
You were treating it like a scalp. You should have just went to the hour chart and it gave you more confidence to stay
You're
in.
looking at EJ right now. I know. I don't want to jump back into this though. I'd rather use it on a pair that my second trade at least. Use it on a pair I'm more accustomed to. Are you still in it?
Yeah, and I got in a gold short at 1785.7.
5.7. Got it. Right up here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
How's Chris doing trading?
Chris, our Chris?
Fitness guy.
Doing great. Right, Chris? I don't know if he could hear us or answer. Yeah, he had a great trade. I think in the beginning of the week or the end of last week. I forget what it was. He's been doing much better. Actually, just good.
Perfect.
He's doing good, fellas. Good shit. Love to hear it. Finally seeing profits, he says. Not trading pennies anymore. Good shit. Yeah, you had to take a step back for a second and for 2 steps forward, right? GJ's rejecting this area over here. You see this?
Good job, man.
Nice. That's nice one.
Love it.
Good job, man.
This candle rejected. 5 minute.
Oh man, EJ is being a good boy.
I want to hear it. That sucks. Oh well. We will make it back.
Yeah.
Yeah, my stop loss was too tight. I like GJ right now. Hold on. Wait for me, GJ. Wait for me.
You jumping in?
Wait in a second. Yeah.
Little 10-pip move.
I'm just anticipating price to break out of this range and continue bearish. Leaving my stop loss above this 30-minute candle. We should continue being how bearish GJ is right now. I'm anticipating a nice little drop. Oh man. Good shit, Jaden. And Victor.
Yeah, nice one, guys.
Good shit, bro.
Here. I only took the gold sell because of Matei, though.
Because of Matei?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
You secure?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Yeah, I was waiting for the New York Open to create a top week before entering any kind of sell, but you know, it's all right. It's all good.
I'm thinking it might come down to 1770.
Oh yeah. Very well could.
It's my second and last trade of the day.
Beautiful.
There goes gold.
I took this based off the 5 minute. So this should be right here. Stop loss right here. Anticipating price to drop after passing the low of this candle and creating a top wick.
It's looking good. Yeah, I'm looking at gold sales now. If we start breaking the previous 15-minute low, I think we could drop down to 17.
we go, GJ.
Here we go.
Not quite with gold.
Yeah. Waiting.
Wow, that was a heartbreaker.
Amazing.
Damn, that would have been nice. Look at that wick. Can only laugh at it, right?
Yeah, it looks like gold is trying to create that top wick on the 1 hour candle.
Mm.
Okay, back.
Yes. So are we getting a retest over here on GJ? Or are we just going to continue to drop? How about we just continue to drop? That'd be nice. Yes, it is. Are you in this, Victor? Or just EJ? Wow. Gold. Wild. What a snapback. 30-minute just ranging.
Loves that little channel.
Mm. What a low light on EJ. You gotta save that highlight. See now, GJ is at a very psychological level right here at 150. Would love to see it break 150 today. Just push right through.
Still feel like gold's gonna drop.
May. We get some positive unemployment coming out.
Yeah.
In 5 minutes.
Here we go, GJ drop.
Let's go.
All right, so 826. It's having some issues over here at 150. Gio, I'm guessing you're waiting for the retest right here?
I'm looking at gold actually. If you look at the 5 minute, it's
Oh, okay.
very good structure. lower highs.
On the 5 minute. Yes.
Yeah, and the 5 minutes also nice.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, let's see what we get for unemployment. Could be a nice move. Especially on the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we're gonna get some kind of a retest right here on GJ. Maybe even a retest of these wicks down here at 052, 050, and then we continue down. All right, 1 minute. All right, 8:30. All right, what? Ooh, better than expected. Gold should be heading down. For some kind of a bearish close right here. 15 minute, 5 minute looks good. Let's go, GJ. 30-minute came up to retest. I doubled my trade. Go, baby. Go, DJ. Go, DJ. Go, DJ. Go, DJ. Go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go. We are at... All right, so I closed the one position at 10 pips. Moving my stop loss down here for the second one. And move my take profit down here. Good shit.
Nice one. Nice one.
Thanks, buddy. Made up for that stupid EJ trade. Messed me up. Oh, it's beautiful. Keep going, GJ. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Yes, please. Oh, we're long overdue. Let's see, gold is retracing a little bit. Maybe it's just retesting this area over here to continue down. Nice, Chris. Did you get in on this? You trade GJ. It's a good setup right here. Keep dropping. No? Okay. I'm not on my laptop. Oh, it should have though. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. Getting a little retracement on EJ. Oh, I didn't even. DJ starts coming back into this range over here, I'll just close half of it. Needs to respect this resistance.
Did you guys hear that, or was that me?
Wow.
Something just like sounded really staticky.
Static,
Yeah.
What?
Do you hear it right now?
No.
yeah, right now. There's like, yeah, there's static right now.
Oh, it's not static. My fiance is making eggs.
I thought my iPad was like shorting out or something. I was like, what the heck is going on?
That wouldn't be good. iCloud is shorting out. What are you guys doing the rest of the day?
Work.
Got work? Painting?
Yep.
What have you been working on?
I'm painting an apartment complex.
Nice.
What are you doing today? Oh, I'm gonna go to the driving range with my dad too.
Nice. Good shit. Yeah, I'm going to the city at 10. I'm gonna reach out to all you guys as soon as I get up there. When I finish journaling my trades. My cousin's coming up from North Carolina this weekend, so that's should be fun.
Nice. Are you sure that's eggs that's being made?
Well, she's done now.
Yeah, okay. I keep hearing it.
I'm looking for this resistance to hold. There we go. Damn, I must TP all the way down there. Let's see. What's a realistic take profit? Oh, it smells so good. Let's go, DJ. All right, just secured. See ya. Wow, GJ. Yeah, once we broke below 150, should continue down. All right. Solid day.
Oh, nice.
Gold, you said?
Oh no, I said oh nice for GJ.
Oh, yeah. Gio, when are you going to the Philippines?
Oh, I still don't have a set schedule. They're still having having problem with the virus.
Oh, true.
But-
Wow.
Yeah, right now it's I think 10-day mandatory quarantine once you arrive.
10-day now? I thought it was 7 now.
Yeah, I think it's 10-day.
Wow. Insane. Hopping on the ride of GJ. Keep going. Wow. So what did we say on Sunday? We were going to get this head and shoulders over here and then just continue down. If we did tap 152 and then react to it, could possibly get that head and shoulders. It's now lower than this shoulder over here. We could be coming right back down at 148.730. I'm going to try this for GP. 672. Nice. Two trades a day. This is interesting that gold is holding the support over here. 1784, significant level. So you're going to get nice sells if we close below 1784. What do I have at the gym? We got legs today. Leg day, baby. EJ's playing around now, huh? Anybody still in it?
I got out.
You're out?
Focusing on GJ.
Oh, you're in GJ too?
Yeah.
It's like 10 trades today, huh?
I didn't want to say anything.
I know. What are you actually at, though?
How many?
Yeah. You had gold.
How many setups or how many like positions did I actually enter?
No, setup. So you had gold to start the morning. Nice trade. Then you had EJ. Nice ass trade.
And then GJ. Just those
Nice. 3 wins?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Good shit, man.
Thank you. It's nice because I have this wide monitor so I can have 3 different charts up at the same time.
Oh, yeah. That's why I love this, dude. Having this.
Yeah.
Gia, how about yourself? You grab anything today?
No, I haven't. Still waiting for gold.
Okay.
Break that support.
Yeah, that makes sense. What I was
Above everything, though, I still think EJ is like the juiciest looking setup still. I'm like, I think it's still going to fly.
I mean,
Actually, I think GJ is a little bit sexier, but
I mean, right now, GJ, right below that support as well, looking pretty clean, down to 149.
yeah, for sure.
there's nothing sexy about EJ besides this move right here.
That's what I'm looking at. But
And
the way my EMAs are looking, though, with it, it's just showing me it's going up, but
yeah.
could be wrong. We'll leave it alone.
Let me see if I have that.
That's definitely not eggs, huh? Or Jaden?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, what the is that?
I think his microphone could be, yeah.
Let's go. It's
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
be nice.
Does yours warm? Does yours heat up too?
Yes. I'm excited. I need an extension cord though. And I need GJ to continue to take a shit. Oh man. Talk about keeping the emotions out of the market. It's gonna be easy with this thing.
I'm really not liking how it's forming support right there.
I know.
That's like a triple bottom.
Oh, yeah. See it, maybe respect this area right here. Can you guys hear this thing?
Yeah.
You can? It's all right. There we go. GJ's coming right back up. Probably another retest.
Gonna be a good looking 4-hour candle though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm probably getting stopped out. Yep. Okay, good shit. Good morning. Do something.
Got stopped out.
What's up?
I got stopped out.
Yeah. It was a good trade. Did you secure it all?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Oh man, look at EJ.
Stop. Yeah, Victor. Really does. I like the 1 hour here on gold. Get the 1 hour candle closing in a minute. Probably not even. Now we're closing below that trend line on the 4 hour over here, which is good. So we'll see what we get over here. We need to close below 1784. Maybe a break of 1782 would be a good opportunity for sales. Right now it's reacting, creating a top wick on the 4 hour. A lot of volatility right now. Let's see where the dollar index is. Yeah, we're just dropping over here. It'd be just great if GJ continues to drop. Stop on the side real quick.
It will.
Yeah. It's all good. Got what I wanted out of it. You know what I hate about the ECN accounts is that you have to pay a commission and the spread, which is not ideal.
You're talking about the raw spread account?
What was that?
The raw spread? Or
Yeah, you have a regular spread, but the spread's a lot smaller than what it normally would be. But still, you're still paying a commission. You're paying $7 on a standard lot.
Yep.
Not ideal, but this is what I'm looking for. A pass of this 15-minute candle.
Would you enter again if it does?
Maybe. We'll see what we get. Gold is kind of like a candle by candle basis. I mean, every pair is like that, honestly. But you know what I mean. This foot massager is making me feel some sort of way, so maybe. That could be the top wick. I mean, the past 2 wicks on the 4-hour have been smaller wicks.
Yep. And the
Could that be
1
the
hour
top
highs are
right now?
respected.
Yeah, let me place this and see what we got. Wow, GJ. Let's see. Yeah, let's open it.
There you go, gold.
Anybody else in gold? It's a good setup.
Yeah, I'm looking for close below.
After unemployment coming out.
Ready for the verse of the day?
What?
I'm just gonna read it.
Oh,
this time.
verse of the day. I thought you were gonna say the reverse of the day. I was like, come on, don't do that to my trade. Yeah, go ahead.
Romans 8:6 says, "For to be carnally minded is death, but to be spiritually minded is life and peace."
I like that. Yes, it is.
That's true.
Yeah, religion really does a lot for a lot of, someone's psychology, getting through life and living with a purpose.
You know what that word means? Carnal.
Caramel?
Carnally, like when it said don't be carnally minded, that's death.
Yeah, what does that mean?
Well, the word carnal means like relating to physical or physical needs, especially sexual needs.
Okay. Huh. Yeah, I never knew that. All right. Ready for the reverse of the day.
No, that comes at 7.
Come on.
All right, I always forget your East Coast. It's my 7.
Ah. That's true. Respecting the 3 EMAs over here as well. Get the 850. And 200, yeah. Bad trade. Maybe not. Shit, it's 9/11.
Yeah, guys, that's it for me.
Yeah, I'm actually about to head off too because I have to get ready for a
Right.
drive. But guys, have a great day. I'll let you know how this trade goes. Maybe you'll obviously see how gold's playing out. But have an awesome day. I'll see you tomorrow morning. I'll do the Asian breakdown tonight for you, and then get going for tomorrow.
All right, perfect. See you tomorrow, guys. Take care.
Oh, also fundamentally wait for, or not wait, but pay attention to retail sales coming out of the pound tonight. All right, 11 o'clock. Now I'll see you guys later. All right.
All right.
You guys.
Yeah, boys.